Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money from this money earning website. Okay, now the name of the website is called Gogobet. Okay, Gogobet is actually a website that allows you to play game, okay, and you earn some reward. Okay, now these are the three major games that they actually play on this particular website. Okay, this and these other ones, we are not going to be touching these ones for now, but this particular one, this one they call Wingo, is the one that I've seen people making money from, and that is actually working properly for now. Okay, so first and foremost, we need to register. Okay, you need to get ourselves registered on the website. So let me quickly show you how to go about that. So you just come down here. Okay, you're going to click, like at least I'm going to be dropping the link to this website right below the video. Okay, so you're going to come up here, you're going to click on this plus sign. Depending on the country you are registering from, you're going to choose your country. Okay, so you're going to choose your country over here. Let's assume you are from Ghana. You're going to choose your country code and you're going to put in your phone number. Okay, after putting your phone number, you're going to put in your password. Then the invite code is going to be here already. Then you're going to click on register. Okay, so after clicking on registered, you will be registered on the website. Okay, what the website is all about is that you're going to place a game. Okay, and by the time you let's just click on it. Let's say you click on it. Okay, it's going to bring you here, so you can see we have different balls, red and green. Okay, so you are expected to place a game before this time, this timer countdown. Okay, now at the end of this timer countdown, if the color that is going to come up happens to be the color that you choose here, then automatically you've won and you're going to double your money. You're going to double your stake. Okay, so if you come down here, you can see different people staking. You can see stakes. You can see stakes. Now you're going to ask me that how are you going to make this prediction and get the right color to choose? Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you the right a particular Telegram channel that do the analysis and they give the right color for you to choose, and you're going to make money. Let me quickly show you that channel. That's a Telegram channel. Okay, so if you come down here, this is a Telegram channel. Okay, you can see this Telegram channel. You can see they won this particular game. Okay, you can see if you check, you see they won this one also. You can see they won this one. So they are going to be making the analysis on how you're going to be placing your bets. How you're going to, you can see in this particular place they say buy green. Okay, multiple 3x, purchase price is $30. Okay, guaranteed. So you see they give all the analysis here. All you just need to do is just to follow the analysis. You can see here they say buy red, multiple 1x. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you. Don't worry, I'm going to be dropping the link to this Telegram channel right in the description of this video also. Okay, and I'm also going to be dropping the link for you to register on Gogobet on this particular in the description of the video also. Okay, so let's assume on that Telegram channel they say you should buy red. This is what you're going to do. You're going to come up here. It's going to tell you which of these icon you should choose. Most times it's going to tell you to click this sape, so you're going to click it. Okay, then you're going to come down and you're going to choose. If it tells you to buy red, you're going to choose red. Okay, if it tells you 10 USDT, you're going to choose 10 USDT. Then the quantity depends on the amount of money you actually have in your account. That will determine the amount of quantity you're going to be buying. But don't worry, I'm going to be showing how you're going to credit top up your balance and every other thing you need to know. Okay, so let's say you want to buy one. Okay, you can see the cost is 10 USDT with transaction fee of 0.3 USDT. Okay, let's say you want to buy 3. Okay, so you can see the cost is 30 USDT. So in that case, you must have up to like $40 or $35 in your balance account. Okay, for you to be able to buy these 3. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how to do all that. Okay, so as soon as you place the bet like this, you're going to click on this confirm. Okay, so when you click on this confirm, all you just need to do now is to wait, okay, for this timer to count down. As soon as this timer counts down and it confirms that the red they ask you to choose is the result, then automatically if you place $30, then it's going to double your money. It's going to be $60. If you place $10, it's going to double your money and it's going to be 20 USDT. Okay, all you just have to pay attention to after you join the Telegram channel is for their signals. It's a free Telegram channel. Okay, So you just need to, when you join it, you're going to be getting, you can see people making their contribution. Okay, you can chat and discuss with them and pay attention to the channel. Okay, now quickly let me show you how you can actually recharge your account. You can see on the account I have 00 USDT. Okay, so we need, for us to be able to play the game, we need to recharge the account. Okay, so what we're just going to be doing is this: we're going to click on this recharge. Okay, you're going to click on this recharge. Now when you click on this recharge, you're going to choose the amount of money you want to send to this account. You can decide to say you want to send $1,000. You can decide to say you want to send $100. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be sending let's say 13 USDT. Now you can use USDT or fiat, but basically I encourage you to use USDT. Okay, so I'm going to be sending 13 USDT to this account. So we're going to trade with that. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to come down here and you click on pay now. Okay, when you click on pay now, it's going to take you to where you're going to generate your wallet address. Okay, so you can see you can send the fund through TRC20 or BEP20, but I encourage you to always use TRC20. This is the 13 USDT you want to credit the account. Then we're going to click on this pay now. Okay, then it's going to generate the wallet address for you. When you come down here, this is the wallet address. You can click here to copy the wallet address. So I'm going to click here. So I've copied the wallet address. So make sure within this time of 5 minutes time, you credit this account with the amount of money, this 13 USDT, or in your own case, 100, 1000, whichever amount of USDT you want to credit the account with. Okay, and mind you, the timer is running here. So let me quickly go to my Trust Wallet and I'm going to send this 13 USDT to this account. Okay, so here on my Trust Wallet, you can see I have 19 USDT here. So I'm just using this for the purpose of this video. So I'm going to send that amount of money. Let me click on send here. Let me quickly send. I'm going to paste the wallet address here. Okay, then I'm going to put the amount here, which is 13 USDT. Okay, then I'm going to click on continue and send to my wallet address. Okay, then I'll quickly go to my this thing I'm going to show you. Okay, so guys, the 13 USDT just arrived in my wallet here, in my account here, in my Gogobet account. Okay, so let's go back to how you're going to be placing your bet here. So you're going to click on this wings here again. Okay, now on this wings here, so all you just need to do now, okay, as soon as you get the signal from that Telegram group I told you about, you just come down here. Okay, you're going to choose this depending on the information they gave you from the Telegram. So you're going to choose on this one here. Most times it comes here. If it is green, if it is red, you're going to choose it accordingly. If it is green, you're going to choose this green here. Okay, so you can see here that you're just going to place your bets, and it's as simple as that. And one other good thing about the website is that automatically, as soon as you win the bet, your account will be updated automatically. Okay, you're going to see your balance in your account automatically. Okay, so if you want to make your withdrawal, okay, it's as simple. All you just need to do is you're going to click on your withdraw here. Okay, then you're going to bind your wallet address. Okay, you're just going to click here. Okay, you click here, then you put in your wallet address here. Okay, you're going to put in your wallet address. Then whenever you want to make your withdrawal, you just put in the amount of money you want to withdraw here. Okay, you put the amount of money you want to withdraw here, and you're going to come down. You can see the withdrawal fee is $1. Okay, so you're going to be getting 12 USDT, assuming you are withdrawing 13 USDT. Then you're going to click on withdraw. As soon as you click on withdraw, automatically within 1 to 5 minutes, in most cases, you're going to get the alert in your wallet address. Okay, so that's how simple it is for you to actually use this particular website to earn money online. Okay, don't forget, I'll be dropping the link right below this video. Okay, and also you can make money from this particular website if you invite people to this website. Okay, so if you click here, you can see the referral. Okay, you refer a friend. Okay, your friend refers another. As people keep referring, you're going to be making. If you refer a friend now and your friend actually comes in with, let's say, 100 USDT, whenever the person actually places a bet, you're going to be earning from that person's bet. Okay, so these are other ways of you actually making steady income from this particular website. Okay, and I will encourage you, if you want to do this, the earlier the better it is now for you to actually join. Okay, so you take advantage of this particular website. Okay, I want to believe you actually got value from this video, and if you got value from this video, please go ahead and please subscribe to my channel, and also like this video, give the video a thumbs up. Okay, I really appreciate you doing all that, and I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye.